Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel RK the Sailor. Today we are going to learn Morse code with code words. First we will see what is Morse code and where do we use it and how to remember it in easy way. Before we start it, if you are new to my channel, press like, share and subscribe button and also hit the bell icon, then you will get notification of my next video. So let's start. Morse code is used to send signal in a bad weather to attract the attention of other vessels. In Morse code we use two code, one did and da. Did means dot and da means dash. In my method we remember Morse code by drawing an alphabets. First you draw the alphabets on paper as I shown in my video. Then you draw it in your mind so easily remember the code of alphabets. So let's start. A alpha, did, da. B bravo, da, did. C Charlie, da, did. D Delta, da, did. E Echo, did. F Foxtrot, did, da, did. G Golf, da, did. H Hotel, did. I India, did. J Juliet, did, da. K Kilo, da, did, da. L Lima, did, da, did. M Mike, da. N November, da, did. O Oscar, da. P Papa, did, da, did. Q Quebec, da, did, da. R Romeo, did, da, did. S Sierra, did. T Tango, da. U Universe, did, da. V Victor, did, da. W Whiskey, did, da. X X-ray, da, did, da. Y. Yankee. Da, did, da, da. Z. Zulu. Da, da, did, did. So friends, this is my method to remember Morse code. I hope you understand it very well. Now we will meet in my next video. Bye bye.